What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be talking about government gas cans and why they suck, and how to fix them. So here we got two different styles. They ain't no two styles I've ever seen the same. They make all kinds of different ones, and they all suck, every single one of them. But this particular style here, you know, you've got a little button here that you got to push. It takes 3 or 4 hands and 8 feet to operate. But kind of grab it like that, push down and tip it over into the tank. The nozzle's so small you end up spilling about 2 gallons of gas in a 1 gallon tank. This model here, you got to twist this lever around here and pull this down, and it's just a dang pain in the neck. And tip it over in the gas tank and still you end up spilling gas. Like I said, there's several different styles out there and they all suck. And today I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. So here we've got a couple styles, the same style of gas can, the big 5 gallon one. And you notice on this one that it's got a vent hole, and that actually does serve a purpose. This one does not. What happens is when you're using these government style gas tanks and you're filling whatever you're trying to put gas in, what happens, you'll get a big burst of gas and then it'll all of a sudden just stop pouring. And because it don't have a vent on the back, you'll get a big rush of gas, it'll stop pouring, and then you'll hear and that'll be air sucking back up through the main spout. And then once that air comes through, you'll get another big burst of gas. And say you're filling a little small pressure washer that's got a 1 quart tank. By the time that air sucks back up in there and you get that second burst of gas, it blows gas all over the place. So these vents serve a purpose. It allows you to be more precise. It allows you to, it's actually a lot more safe than these style cans. So we've got a kit. I'm going to show you how to install that kit. You can buy them at TSC. I think you can buy them Amazon, Home Depot. A lot of folks sell these kits, and I'm going to show you how to put those on today and put a new vent in. So here's the kit. It's made by Easy Pour. It fits several different styles of gas cans. As you can see here, I bought this one at TSC, and it comes with a replacement vent, and it comes with your main spout. So we're going to show you how to install a spout in this can and replace this crappy government nozzle. First things first, you got to remove this child-proof safety garbage. Take this nozzle off, throw that away. Get our new Easy Pour replacement kit out. Usually these will thread right on, no issues whatsoever. And there you have it. That's how this is simple. You just install the spout. The next thing we're going to do, get in our kit here. We're going to get our vent, and we're going to install that on the back, just like on this one. What we're going to be using to install this vent hole in this gas jug is a tapered drill bit. As you can see, it's got several different markings on there, anywhere from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. We're going to be going up to the 1/2 inch mark, right in the middle. It's best not to use a standard drill bit, because that'll create an irregular hole and won't give you a good seal, and it's liable to spill gas and all kind of stuff. So we want to make sure we got a good flush fit on this vent hole. So once we figure out where we want our vent hole to go, we're going to slowly squeeze the trigger on the drill and go down to the 1/2 inch mark. And back it out. When we get done, you can take a water hose or something and wash this gas tank out, get all those shavings out. Next thing we want to do is take a little small rat tail file and just kind of clean this up just a little bit. There's some shavings and stuff in there around that edge that may affect the seal of this new vent hole. So once we got that cleaned up, take our new vent and install it, and it'll simply just slide right down in there, and that's it. And there it is. There's our new gas jug. The way I look at it is, if it's not broke, don't fix it. This new government regulated mess we've got nowadays don't do nothing but literally cause a mess when you go to filling up a tank, or trying to get the cap off to fill the jug. It's just a mess. So going back to old school, making gas jugs great again. You can do this on any size gas jugs. The kit comes with all kinds of adapters and stuff to fit different styles of gas jugs. So that's it. Thank y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Go out there to TSC or Amazon, wherever. Pick you up a easy pour kit and get those gas jugs back functioning right and make life a lot easier. Thank y'all. Thanks for watching.